Hari Om, welcome to the Chinmaya International Foundation channel, and we are talking about OLA Sanskrit Sahitya series. And now we will be coming with Kavi Kulaguru Kalidasa's first ever drama, his maiden composition in dramatic literature, that to a court play called Malavikagnimitram. This is a romantic story between Malavika, a princess. Of course she is a princess, but now she is staying incognito as a maid servant to Queen Dharini and King Agnimitra of Vidisha. Now, because this is Kalidasa's first ever drama, he is little bit hesitant, little bit apprehensive, yet he is equipped with all the Varadhasta of Ma Saraswati. He says that, before me, there have been so many great dramatists like Bhasa, Kaviputra, Saumillaka. So leaving aside their plays and their dramas, who will come to see? Vartamana kavehe Kalidasasya kritau katham parishado bahumanaha. Why should the connoisseurs, the rasikas, should come to see the drama by Kalidasa, who is a new poet, Vartamana Kavi. But then he gives a very nice analogy there, a very nice subhashita comes, Puranamityeva nasadu sarvam nachapi kavyam navamityavadyam santah parikshanya tarad bhajante moodhaha parapratyayaneya buddhihi. All that is old need not be gold, and all that is new need not be condemned because it's new, What should the wise people do in such situation? Pariksha. They should examine, evaluate, anyatarad bhajante, and they would accept one of the two, the old or the new. But moodha, the dull people who don't exercise their own intellect in any matter, what do? They just rely on other people. So this is an appeal made by Kalidasa to the connoisseur audience. Please come and see my drama and then decide whether Kalidasa also can write good dramas or not. So come one, come all, spread the word. Malavikagnimitram in OLA Sanskrit Sahitya series from 26 February by Gauri Mahulikar. Hari Om. Thank you.